Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on that subscribe button down below, and do click on the notification bell because it will definitely notify you of any time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be giving you an update on my hair, of using rice water on my hair for the past 6 months. Yes, for some time now I've gotten a lot of messages from some of my subscribers to give them an update on the use of rice water since they've seen my first video, which is about 6, even going to 7 months now, of using rice water. Where I'm sorry the video came late, but today I'm going to give you an update and tell you the differences, as in positive things I noticed on my natural hair since I started using rice water. So guys, let's get right into this video. The first thing I noticed with my hair since I started using rice water is definitely the growth. Yes, 6 months back compared to now, my hair has really improved. My hair has grown a lot. Where back then, before using rice water, which I will insert the picture for you guys to see how my hair was kind of not growing, and I was kind of sad and wondering, is this how natural hair is? It was just stuck at a particular length. It wasn't growing, and I was feeling sad, though I know I wasn't using a lot of hair mask or just DIYs I started using now, but still there were few that I was using, but still it wasn't growing until I discovered rice water, and it has helped my hair a lot. The length, as you can see, this is it. So guys, the second thing I noticed about my hair is the thickness. Since I started using rice water, my hair became very thick. Guys, you can see the evidence here. Wow, you cannot imagine. My hair wasn't really that light before, but not as thick and healthy like this. So that is the second thing I noticed about using rice water. Top thing is hair breakage. Yes, before I started using rice water, even though my hair was very short, my hair was always breaking. When I comb my hair and I see this, the breakage that comes out of it on the sink, and I'm wondering, short hair like this, how does it break so much? Why is this how difficult natural hair is? But since I started using rice water, I noticed that the breakage reduced drastically. Yeah, I cannot say it has stopped fully, but it doesn't break as much as it used to, even when it was short. Imagine now that it's a bit longer. I was expecting it to break more, but no, it doesn't. Rice water has helped me with that a whole lot. It's another positive thing I noticed about my hair since I started using rice water is my edges. See, I have a picture of how my edges looked like before, but rice water has helped restore my edges, where I cannot just attribute everything to rice water alone, because the virgin hair fertilizer, which I have the video on my channel too, helped me with my edges. Though I started using the virgin hair fertilizers maybe 2-3 months back, 3 months back there about, yeah, but the rice water coupled with the virgin hair fertilizer helped improve my edges. See? So the next thing I noticed since I started using rice water is that my hair, after moisturizing it or deep conditioning it with rice water, I noticed that it stayed more moisturized than it used to be before. Unlike before, after washing my hair with a conditioner or anything, within an hour or two, it goes back to that stiff state and so strong that I cannot manage it. But since I started using rice water, my hair stays more moisturized a bit longer. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, if I put it right. Yes, my hair stays moisturized. Though for some time now, I won't lie to you guys, I haven't been too consistent with my use of rice water. For those who know my condition, I've been very lazy. To be sincere, for almost a month and a half now, I haven't done the rice water rinse. I was so lazy. But I did do the DIY rice conditioner, which I have the video on my channel too. Yes, I found out about the rice conditioner. This is not the rice water rinse, rather the rice conditioner. I have the video which I will leave in my description box below. I did that about a month ago, but as for the rinse, the rice water rinse, I haven't done that for more than 1.5 months, but I will definitely be doing it today after this video. So somehow I haven't been so consistent with it of recent, unlike when I started this rice water rinse newly. I used to do it twice a week until I did some research and I noticed that doing it too much is not so good, because rice water is kind of acidic, especially the fermented rice water. You have to dilute it before using it on your hair. So I reduced from doing it twice a week to twice a month. Yes, I do it once every 2 weeks. That's what I do it. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I've gotten some comments too from some people who asked me, how do I use rice water? I have a video of that too, on how I use rice water and how often I use it. I will leave the link in the description box too for you to check it out. So guys, I think these are the positive things I've noticed about my hair since I started using rice water. Guys, apart from rice water, there are other hair masks I use on my hair, like the banana and avocado hair mask, which is very good. The mint leaf rinse, I have some on my channel which you should check out. So I'm not attributing everything to rice water alone, but rice water mainly is what really helped me. So that is why I am really focusing more on rice water updates, because I use more of rice water than the other conditioners or DIYs I mentioned. So guys, that is my update on using rice water for the past 6 months going on 7 months. You can see there are a lot of positive benefits I have seen from using rice water. So I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.